Dear students, in limits and continuity, we are going to see another problem leading with limits, but related with the concept of sin theta by theta. What does it mean? So many results that you have come across, so many results that you put in your mind, but you have to recall which formula exactly to be adopted to this problem. That is very important to note for each one, because this kind of problem whenever you come across, see what is the simple things. This is a very simple sum, but at the same time some techniques to be adopted. Here sin alpha power n, remember that sin alpha power n, alpha having the value is n here, whereas here sin alpha the entire value having m. Remember that here sin alpha power n, like that the value is given, the book is given like this, sin bracket alpha power n, sin of alpha whole power m. These two things you must remember. You should not think that both the things are same, only n and m only vary, just you can cancel and do so. It is not like that, but something different. You should just think simple strategy to be applied here. Sin of alpha power n. So, what is the technique? Here I am going to apply this formula. Limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta is equal to 1. This is the main formula to be adopted for this problem. Okay. Now, let us see this one. In numerator, sin alpha power n means what should I do in numerator, what should I do in denominator? You can question yourself first, so that you can get an idea as what I want to do. So, now what I am going to do, I do, but what you wish to do, you think about it. So, here sin alpha power n means here I should do only changes over this alpha power n, but in this part I should do only for alpha here. Here alpha power n to be changes, and here only alpha will be changed. That means what else? Here limits alpha tends to 0. Here it is not infinity, remember that it is alpha. Sin alpha power n by alpha power n. This alpha power n is considered to be theta. Alpha power n is considered to be theta, remember. So, if I do any modification here, what should I do? I just do the same thing in numerator too. Remember that. First part in numerator, sin of alpha power n, I have just multiply and divide by the same term in order to get the formula of sin theta by theta. And here this alpha power n is nothing but theta, remember, so that the sum is over. If you think like that, sum is simple, if not it is such a difficult sum, remember that, because you may think that sin alpha cancel, n, m, finally you may give a different answer, it is a peculiar one. So, you just think about it like this, now divided by, and the second part here. Here only alpha we made a change, but here sin alpha the entire thing as a value here, that means sin alpha by alpha, remember that. Here what we do, the change is different from what I have done, that part is different. See here I have just divided by alpha whole power m, remember that. So, that means here alpha if I do, that means I should do in numerator too the same thing. Here sin alpha exists, I have done only divided by alpha power m, that means here also alpha power m I should do here. You got it or not? Have you got the idea of what I have done? So, this is the way you think about it. Now, I think you may know about this part what I have done here. So, let me take it very easy way for your understanding purpose. Now, limiting value, just I take a limit of alpha tends to 0 sin of alpha power n by alpha power n. Here treated as this part alpha power n whole divided by limit alpha tends to 0 sin alpha by alpha. Here remember that alpha power m. Have you got an idea now? I think you might be seeing this one very simple way. Now, this alpha power n is considered to be theta here like this formula only, this theta, and here alpha only theta, and here alpha is theta, and numerator alpha power n is considered to be theta. That means, this part here though it is alpha power n or alpha whatever it is, that should be it is equal to 0. So, that means it is nothing but 1. So, what I am getting this, applying this part, it is 1 by here 1 and here alpha power n minus m, alpha power n minus m. So, here I have got alpha power n, here alpha power m, alpha power n minus m. I have got this value. Finally, I am getting alpha power n minus m. See, alpha power n minus m. Here we can discuss about some cases for this, because n minus m we can take it some cases here. Case 1, if n is equal to m, that means what happened? The solution here 0. That means then alpha power 0 it is nothing but 1. The solution is 1 here. The solution for this case is 1. Okay. If case 2, that is if n, we can take it n, that is n is greater than n m, we can take n greater than m, then what happened? N is greater value, m is lesser value, then the solution is infinite, because we do not know it is infinite. Remember that, infinite. N greater than m is nothing but infinite. The solution is infinite because it is such a bigger value and m is smaller value. We may not know it is a real number like. So, as at once you see it may be a real number, and that means this case will be infinite. So, you can take a real number. If you take a real number, that value obviously it is bigger, and we may have like this. And case 3, suppose if n is less than m, then the solution is what is that? 0, because it is simple value, it is obviously negative value, like just n less than m, obviously this will have a negative value, that is 0. Like this we are going to get 3 cases.